Hey there, thank you so much for watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another video on free courses for IELTS and TOEFL exam preparation. So more often people spend a lot of amount on getting these courses and consulting or consultancies, paying fee and all. But today I'm back with another video on free courses for this test preparation. If you wanted to move abroad and study over there, or if you wanted to get settled there, you need to give these exams to prove your worth that you are very much good at English and you can live there successfully. So this preparation exam will let you go there. It means go abroad and pursue your career. Now let me talk about my channel. So I make these videos on free courses, certification, training, placements, internships, scholarships, etc. So watch my channel after watching this video till then. Now let's get started. So the first test preparation is IELTS. Now this is being offered by British Council and hosted on FutureLearn platform. So now to get this course, you need to have an account on FutureLearn. Don't worry, this is free. Creating an account on FutureLearn is free. So once you create an account, you need to click on this button, join course for free. After that, you can get this course for free. But the thing is, there are some restriction. The restriction is that once you enroll for this course, you can access this course for free only within 5 weeks. So once if you complete the 5 weeks after joining this course, you can no longer get this course for free. That sounds not good. Yeah, don't worry, I have a trick. You can get this course for free again by creating your new account using a new email ID. That's it, you can get this course for free again. So do this trick, use this trick only if you need this course again. So if you are about to give the test, then you can get this course using another different email IDs and use this, get it for free. And there is also another restriction. You cannot get a certificate for this course for free. If you wanted to get a certificate, you must spend $54. Now coming to the duration of this course, this is 3 weeks course and you need to spend 3 hours per week to get this course. And it is a self-paced course. It means you can set your own time for this course. By the way, as I said, you need to spend $54 for this course to get certified. The thing is, why do you even want to get certified when the test is itself a certification? I hope you understood. IELTS is an exam that will test your knowledge on English, right? Then what is the use of getting another certification for the test preparation? It's worthless, right? So do not go for that $54 and getting a certification. Do consider exam as itself a certification. If you crack this exam with a good score, who will even stop you? No one, right? So you need not even get certified for this test preparation. And having a certificate on some other speaking skills, writing skills and reading skills on English can help you in the interviews. However, for this test preparation course, you need not have a certification. So that is about IELTS preparation course by the British Council. They're going to help you in cracking this exam with this course. So use this course for free. The next course is TOEFL exam preparation guide. This is brought to you by ETSX Institute for free on edX platform. So now to get this course for free, you need to have an account on edX. Once you get an account, you can enroll for this course for your lifetime. So this basically edX provides you courses absolutely for free. You need not even spend a penny. The thing is, to get the certificate, you again need to spend some amount, which is $49, I guess. Yes, $49. And the length of this course is 6 weeks. As I have already told you, there is no need of getting certified for test preparations because consider the exam itself a certification. If you have a very good score, that is itself a great certificate that you can showcase on your resume and you can talk about everywhere, even on your YouTube channel. Sounds interesting, right? So don't go for certificates for test preparations, or I don't even suggest you for purchasing some courses from consultancies and all. So use this platform for free and have a great knowledge and have a good career over there. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Do let me know in the comment section below if you need more such videos on international studies if you wanted to go abroad. So that's all for this video. I'll be back with another interesting stuff very soon. Till then, keep smiling.